In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about My DeFi Pet staking, about its release and everything that we need to know. But first of all, before I start into that, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. And please help me reach 20,000 by the end of this month as well. That will really help me. And please do support me into my Facebook and into my YouTube. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this is the photo that has been taken by Cat Human. So special shout out to that girl. She is always updating us everyone about what's happening in My DeFi Pet, and also do not forget to support her, because he is applying for the King and Queen contest in My DeFi Pet. So make sure to support him, support her as well. So let's just go into this part. So staking will be released in September. So in the next 6 days, okay, we can expect that My DeFi Pet or someone from My DeFi Pet will actually announce something about this staking, because staking has been pretty much pending for a long time now, and the initial information that I know into the staking center is that when you are staking your My DeFi Pet tokens, you will get a corresponding pet or an egg after a certain month. Okay, so let's say you've staked this one for like 30 days, then probably you can get an egg after that, or I think it was around 60 days and you will get an egg after that. So it is pretty much good thing for you guys to do, or to hoard while it is pretty much cheap, because just by holding DPET you can now get a pet, and instead of spending 3 DPET for one pet, you're just going to hold it and you're going to have a literally free pet inside My DeFi Pet. Okay, so if you're curious about pets, so this is how it looks like. So in my case, I do have a limited logo edition of pets, so I do have a lot of it. I do have actually 32 pets inside My DeFi Pet, and it's pretty much awesome if you're going to ask me. So I'm just going to feed this one. Okay, just continue to feed, and you will going to get a much more higher silver per hour. So what you can do right now, if you are not patient on the staking update that I'm telling you, what you could do is go forward into the Harja chain. Okay, so you can stake DPET for rewards in Harja chain. So I'm just going to refresh this real quick. So as you can see here, I am getting a Beko swap token while I'm staking it into the farm section. So I do have Kai/DPET, which is also a good thing if you like to stake right now. Also, the price of it is pretty much low. So if we're going to look at the high dex, so let's look at the high dex. So let's just pause for a little bit. If you're going to look here, okay, Beko swap is pretty much what they call that. It's really cheap in my case. So Beko, so just search for Beko. So you can see that it is pretty much a good time for you to buy as well. Not a financial advice, but I mean, it is pretty much early. So they just started last August here. So it's been up for like, it's not. I think it's not last August. So they started long time ago, and let me just pull it real quick. So they just really started this month. So probably is on the uptrend side. So I would recommend that if you do have some money, you can buy directly here in Harja chain. And if you do not know how to buy Harja chain tokens or DPET inside the My DeFi Pet in Harja chain network, I'm also going to put it into the description box below so that you will be able to buy it. And also it is on the Tagalog version and in English version as well. So that is your option if you want to, but right now good news are coming in here, And of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel again. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and see you on my next video.